Hi, in this video, I want to walk you through the setting up of a lab so you can practice upgrading a direct audit. And uh, this is important because you want to make sure that you have build the confidence that you may need in order to do an upgrade, or you've never done it before. And you want to be able to build a lab and get the confidence to be able to do this. So in the first part, we're going to build the lab from scratch. And the first thing I need to do is download the Centrify bits. So what I've done is I have a folder here called bits, and it has Suite 2018 and it has Suite 2020. The very first step I need to do is in general, when you're dealing with Centrify and Active Directory, there is a best practice, and it's the laying out of the Centrify um, OU structure. And it's great because it allows you to enforce delegation, separation of duties. And if I'm going to build a lab, I want to make sure that I'm using the best practice anyway. So I'm going to go to the root of the folder. A lot of people run Autoron, right? I'm not a big fan of that. I want to be able to understand where things are. So I want to start with direct manage, and I'm going to run setup. This is an orchestrated setup, right? This message here about suitors, I'm not going to be doing any suitors imports here, so I don't need to add an additional bloat to my machine. So I'm going to say no. And what I'm going to be installing here, and just call it demo, is just Access Manager. So I'm going to uncheck everything here in terms of utilities. Maybe I can keep PuTTY around, but Centrify administration, it's okay for me because it's going to allow me to create that OU structure that I'm talking about. So what I'll do is after I have this installed, in the next video, I'll teach you how to use the deploy utility to be able to lay out Centrify OU structure.